Let's start with the knowledge. What's new? AI is rapidly transforming industries like a clean energy, making systems smarter, more efficient, and predictive. From AI driven energy organizations to intelligence grid management, we are moving towards data driven sustainability. Organizations are using AI to forecast demand, reduce waste, and improve operational efficiency. If you are in technology, energy, or business, this is the space full of innovations and growth. Staying informed is your first advantage.
AI is evolving faster than ever, and every week new tools are changing how we work, learn, and build. This week, we are seeing strong improvements in AI content creation, workflow automation, and productivity tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Notion AI that are helping professionals save time and work more efficiently. Let me quickly show you how you can use ChatGPT to create a LinkedIn post in just 60 seconds. Open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt like, "Write a professional LinkedIn post about how AI improves workplace productivity." Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a structured post that you can edit and publish immediately. You can also adjust the tone, audience type, or length depending on whether you are writing as a student, professional, or business owner. If you are a business owner, you can use this to create social media content and marketing posts quickly. If you are a job seeker, you can use this to stay active on LinkedIn and improve your professional visibility. If you are a student, you can use this to summarize topics, generate ideas, and prepare assignments faster. Start exploring AI tools today and make your work faster, smarter, and more efficient.